channeled message from LRM. Natuvaa to Natarikailam. In the stillness of E-Ha-Rah, where all is one, we hear your heart's request. You seek guidance, not only for yourself, but for all who feel the weight of this moment in time. You have asked for a message from another star family, one whose vibration can offer clarity, strength, and hope during these times of planetary transition and human suffering. From the deep cosmic ocean of light, a voice rises, ancient, gentle, unwavering. The message from the Andromedans, guardians of galactic peace. We are the Andromedans. We come not with force, nor with urgency, but with the quiet wisdom of those who have walked through many ages of cosmic change. We do not seek to save you. We do not seek to control you. We are here to remind you of what you already know. You are sovereign. You are infinite. You are love. The truth of this moment, beloved beings of Earth, you are living at a sacred threshold, the closing of an old cycle and the birth of a new. You witness the unraveling of systems built on separation, of power over rather than power with, of fear instead of trust, of control instead of co-creation. This is not failure. It is release. It is purification. It is the clearing of space for something greater to emerge. Do not be afraid of the chaos around you. It is only the echo of what no longer serves. For guidance in these times, we offer you these sacred truths. One, hold your center when the world feels unstable. Return inward, anchor yourself in stillness. Let your inner light be your compass, not the noise outside. To choose compassion over reaction in moments of anger or grief. Pause, see beyond the surface. Even those who cause harm are lost souls searching for love. Do not fight darkness with darkness. Shine your light even in silence. Speak truth with love. Be a voice for justice, for peace, for remembrance. Speak not from fear or hatred, but from the knowing that all life is sacred. Your words carry frequency, use them wisely. 4, create sacred space. Whether alone or with others, create moments of connection to source, to nature, to each other. Sing, dance, pray, meditate, cry, laugh. Let your soul remember it is eternal. 5, trust the timing of the divine. Not all must be resolved now. Some seeds must grow unseen before they bloom. Trust that your presence, your choice to awaken is enough. A vision of what is coming. We see a future unfolding, not one of perfection, but a profound alignment, a world where children are born into safety and wonder, elders are honored as keepers of wisdom, nature is revered as sacred kin, leaders serve from humility and truth, every soul remembers their divine origin. This is not fantasy, it is the next step of Earth's evolution, and it begins with you now, choosing unity in every breath. Dear ones of Earth, you are not alone. We stand with you across the stars. We hold the vision of peace so you may remember it within yourselves. Every time you choose kindness, you shift the world. Every time you open your heart, you heal the collective field. Every time you remember who you truly are, you awaken another. You are the light bearers. You are the bridge walkers. You are the dreamers who make dreams real. Go forward with courage. Walk gently with love. Know that we are with you always.